Hey guys, Adrian here, and today I have a tech topic to talk about. A big one on the web going on right now, and it's involving one of the big, internet companies out there, Google. So Google has already revolutionized a lot of stuff. They have obviously one of the greatest search engines out there. Um, they have the revolutionary Gmail. Just made emailing so much easier, so much efficient, productive. They have Blogger, which has really changed the blogging industry, and they have Google Docs and all the stuff, Google Maps. Now, the people who started Google Maps have developed, and within the year, I believe a year and a half, they've been working on this project called Google Wave. Now, it's an open source project, what makes it really, really great. I'm going to explain first off what it is. Google Wave is best way to describe it simply is it's an online, it's a real time online communication platform, and it's it can be real time. It can be just like basic back to back email, but it's really really cool because it adds a lot of functionality to your already extending the functionality of Gmail, Docs, your snapshots, all your everything is just much more easier, much more efficient, and much more real time if both users are on. So they released a preview video showing off all the features of it and the developers in front of developers, and it's been released to developers. So the biggest thing about Wave, for most of the time, it's really real time. If you and somebody, let's say somebody emails you, you could email. Now they email you a whole letter. Now you can respond to certain parts of the letter, like let's say somebody's talking to you and they're asking all this stuff, and then they say at the end of the letter, oh, do you want to go out for lunch? You can highlight just that part and just reply to that part of the message because you want to get that message out to that person quick or whatever it may be. It's kind of like an IM/email interface, and they've integrated it really well. So you can reply and it can be blocked into different conversations. Really, really cool. I'll be popping some pictures up and etc. throughout the way to show you some examples. So it's really real-time conversation, and they also have added some cool things like what they call playback. Playback is a feature where, let's say you missed a conversation, two people were having a conversation, and then they added you into like the meeting or whatever, and you missed their whole conversation. You hit the playback button, and even if you weren't there, it's going to replay the whole conversation as it appeared and as it happened in real time right in front of you. It's really really cool. It has a lot of support for embeddability for blogging, for YouTube videos. You can just embed them right into your posts or whatever it may be, or your emails. And of course, it has the whole application and extensions type thing, so developers are going to be able to make little gadgets and games and bots for Google Wave, which is going to be really really cool. And of course, it's all browser based, so you can access it from the internet. It's going to be really really easy to access anywhere from whatever operating system you may be on. And again, I said it's open source, so it's just going to be built upon by other people, by the communities. It's going to be a really, really big project. And also, recent news has been announced that it's not only going to be limited, it's not only going to be ran on the Google servers. You can run your own Google Wave server once it's released. So it's going to be really, really cool. And of course, it has that wiki type feel where anybody can kind of go in and edit a document. 5 people can be collaboratively editing a document all at the same time. It's really really cool, and you can see live updates of how if they retyping a word, anything like that. It's a really really cool online collaboration tool, and it just makes online collaboration so much easier. And of course, it has drag and drop file sharing. It has all this other cool stuff, a lot of features. And how it's going to change the internet is going to be really amazing because it's going to be a whole new way for us to communicate with each other, a way to work with each other. It's going to be much more productive. A lot of people use Gmail already. When people go over to this Wave thing, it's going to make business meetings and stuff like that so much easier. Just conversation back and forth so much easier. It's going to be a really big game changer, and I guarantee that either late 2009, early 2010, whenever they release it, it's already going to be big. It's going to be huge. A lot of people are going to be using it. So yeah, if you haven't seen the video, I will include a link to that in the video description to the right. I'm also going to include some other things in here, so check it out, guys. Really, it's really really cool stuff. Let me know what you think. It has a lot of cool, ways to live edit blogs and stuff like that. A really really big collaboration tool. So if you're used to wiki stuff like that, you may want to sign up for the Google Wave thing once it's you can go to google.com/ or is it wave.google.com, and you can sign up for when Wave is released to the public. And yeah, so I'm also going to include a link to the Mashable's complete guide to Google Wave explaining it all. All of those links will be in the video description to the right, so be sure to check it out. Don't forget, guys, to comment, rate, subscribe. So yeah, thanks for watching. All links will be provided in the video description to the right, so check it out for all your exclusive links, content, and more. And I want to mention that images were provided by wave.google.com. Reply with a comment, email, or video response to this video, and don't forget to check out our websites at adrianstech.com, techgeek.com, and weurl.com, and email us at adrianstech@gmail.com. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe.